It all started on a rainy Tuesday afternoon. I was driving home from work, my mind racing with thoughts of the mundane. Suddenly, a car swerved into my lane, and before I could react, everything went black. I woke up in the hospital, tubes everywhere, and my wife Sarah sitting beside me, tears streaming down her face. The doctors told me I was lucky to be alive. I had a traumatic brain injury, broken ribs, and a long road of recovery ahead. Sarah was my rock during those dark days, but things began to shift once I was discharged. She started pulling away, her patience wearing thin as I struggled to pick up the pieces of my life. As weeks turned into months, I spent my days in physical therapy, while Sarah's visits grew less frequent. One evening, I overheard her on the phone, whispering about wanting someone who can keep up with her. The sting of betrayal hit hard, but I brushed it off, focusing on my recovery. In an unexpected twist, while rehabilitating, I stumbled upon an old passion, coding. I began developing a mobile app that I believed could revolutionize personal finance management. I poured every ounce of energy I had into it, fueled by the desire to prove myself. Fast forward a year, my app went viral. I was suddenly the CEO of a tech company, and with it came a 7-figure paycheck. I felt a mix of pride and disbelief, thinking back to the days when I could barely walk. But then came the day I least expected. Sarah showed up at my office, her demeanor a blend of hesitation and hope. "I've missed you," she said, her eyes searching mine. She had seen the news and wanted to reconnect, to be part of my newfound success. I felt a surge of anger mixed with clarity. "You left me when I needed you the most," I replied, my voice steady. "You wanted someone who could keep up, but I've learned to stand on my own. I'm not that guy anymore." Her face fell, and I felt a pang of sympathy, but I stood firm. The man who almost died was now thriving, and I wasn't going to let the past define my future. As I watched her leave, a weight lifted off my shoulders. I had gained more than money. I had rediscovered my strength and resilience. I knew I could conquer anything life threw my way, with or without her. I turned back to my work, ready to embrace the opportunities ahead, free from the shadows of my past.